We use object snaps to specify precise locations on objects. In this example, I want to draw a circle exactly in the center of the square. To do that, I've set the object snaps using settings, and I've toggled on midpoint. Object snap is on. I can now go to the circle command, and I hope to be able to locate the center of the circle, but it doesn't appear to be working. So let's go back to our settings and see what else we can do to improve that. Again, settings. What's missing is the object snap tracking. I've toggled that on now. So let's go back to that same workflow, our midpoint O snap, and now we have that tracking line showing. There's the center, drag it out, and using direct input, 2.5. I now want to place a circle on the top of that circle, on the quadrant. But the circle object snap is working, not the quadrant. I can use an override. The previous one was a running object snap. Now with the override, I can select the quadrant, key in a value of 1, and the circle is placed. So in this case, we looked at running object snaps and overriding object snaps.